Let's go. Yeah. For those of you that wanna know what we're all about, it's like this, y'all. This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name. He doesn't need his name up in lights, he just wants to be heard, whether it's the beat of the mic. He feels so unlike everybody else, alone, in spite of the fact that some people still think that they know him. But fuck him, he knows the code. It's not about the salary, it's all about reality and making some noise, making a story, making sure his click stays up. That means when he puts it down, Tox picking it up. Let's go.
Who the hell is he anyway? He never really talks much, never concerned with status, but still leaving him starstruck. Humble through opportunities given despite the fact that many misjudge him cause he makes a living from writing raps. Put it together himself, now the picture connects. Never asking for someone's help or to get some respect. He's only focused on what he wrote. His will is beyond reach, and now it all unfolds. The skill of an artist. This is 20% skill, 80% fear. Be 100% clear, cause Ryu was ill. Who would've thought he'd be the one that set the West in flames? And I heard him wreck it with the Crystal Method, name of the game. Came back, dropped Megadeth, took him to church. I like Bleach, man. Ryu had the stupidest verses, dude, is the truth. Now everybody giving them guest spots and stocks through the roof. I heard he fucking with that stock.
This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name.
They call him Ryu, he's sick and he's spitting fire. And Mike got him out the dryer, he's hot. Found him in Fort Minor with top, but a fucking nihilist porcupine. He's a prick, he's a cop. The type women wanna be within, rappers hope he gets shot. 8 years in the making, patiently waiting to blow. Now the record with your notice taking over the globe. He's got a partner in crime, his shit is equally dope. You won't believe the kind of shit that comes out of this kid's throat. He's not your everyday on the block. He knows how to work with what he's got, making his way to the top. He often gets a comment on his name. People keep asking him, was it given that birth or does it stand for an acronym? No, he's living proof. Let him rock in the booth. He'll get you buzzing quicker than a shot of vodka with juice. Him and his crew are known around as one of the best, dedicated to what they do and give 100%.
Forget Mike, nobody really knows how or why he works so hard. It seems like he's never got time, because he writes every note and he writes every line. And I've seen him at work when that light goes on in his mind. It's like a design is written in his head every time, before he even touches a key or speaks in a rhyme. And those motherfuckers he runs with, the kids that he signed, ridiculous, without even trying. How do they do it? This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name. This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name. Fort Minor, M. Shinoda, Styles of Beyond, Ryu, Talk Beer, Machine Shop.
You could be my one and only, I can be your one. Come on, let's take it slowly, I'll show you how it's done. I ain't never seen your type before. How'd you end up with a guy like that? Spread your wings and I'll make you soar. Take my hand, girl, don't look back. Cause when I'm not with you, Los feels lonely. Girl, I go so deep, from the back slowly. But it's probably better off if we stay homies. Hit the strip club, girls get big tips from me. When I do this show, shit, I know you're missing me. When I get back, buy you diamonds from Tiffany's. Relax, girl, and you might just get a kiss from me. Like this, like that, white dude, white hat. Yeah, I gotta do the show, but I could take a flight back. Yeah, I swear to God, girl, I will be right back. got cheese, my strap, my chain, I match. Chelos, we'll have you doing stuff that you dream about. You're all I think about. Bathroom, steam it out. Spend $2,000 every bar I'm in. Hit the Ritz-Carlton, champagne gargling.
You could be my one and only. I can be your one. Come on, let's take it slowly. I'll show you how it's done. Like this, like that, like this, like that. Girl, it's only one kiss. Relax, I know. Every time I see you, girl, my heart beats fast. Like I'm trying to win a race I won't take last. And you know you got a great ass. Got me lost up in your curves, no brake pads. I ain't never seen your type before. It's like you brought me to life, but now I'm dying for one. Not with you, my place or yours. I got a stick shift, let's test drive your course. Got you wetter than a diving board. Louis bag, black leather, one swipe at yours. When you're over, so you're my award. You got a place down south that just might explore. Oh, and I ain't trying to take this slow, cause when I'm with you my heart just knows. So come on, let's go, take my hand, give me a chance. I could be your man. You could be my one and only. I can be your one. Come on, let's take it slowly. I'll show you how it's done. Like this, like that, like this, like that. Girl, it's only one kiss. Relax, I know.
Los, I already know you. I wanna know who your friends are. 10 one and onlys, but I'm looking for a fresh start. Wake up to Dome, you can call this shit a head start. Fall asleep in Denver, wake up in Denmark. Though I want you to be mine, saying that you need time, free time. Girl, you need some me time. Take a slow rewind, make it come 3 times. Stay on the green, 420 is my tea time. To hit the fairway, make you my only one. Hole in one, Gucci shoes, canary diamonds, so you know it's surfing music, boys, full paper origami. I get the thing wetter than a bottle of Dasani. Rose of your Dom P, bottles coming at you. Girl in the bed, I go nuts, go cashews. Yes, I'm an ass dude, but you can bring them titties out. Like 50 blunts as I bring the whole city out. Los,
you could be my one and